Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Good evening everyone. 10 minutes before 12 o'clock midnight. Shout out to the couple na nag-celebrate og wedding anniversary. Time flies because they are now 5 years since they got married in 2019. Happy wedding anniversary to my former staff, the beautiful Mary Joy Ditumal Gituya and John Francis Gituya. Si John Francis Gituya was formerly employee of Central 911 Main Office Davao. Na-assign siya sa medical team. Then si Joy naman was my staff. So congratulations to both of you and God bless. Continue to pray and enjoy your life, enjoy your career, create so much memories with your family, and enjoy your life because you have now your kid, Nana Muy Baby Girl. Mag-savings perminti since nasa abroad mo. Don't forget to pray and I ask guidance from the Lord. Continue to love each other and God bless to both of you. Happy anniversary.